Hi, this is Gordon. I wanted to talk about the outcomes that Hack Reactor grads have had in the Seattle market in the later half of 2019. The reason for me doing this analysis was that as I'm interviewing as an alum of Hack Reactor, a lot of people, recruiters, and engineers have not heard of Hack Reactor in Seattle, which makes sense. Hack Reactor started as a Node.js school teaching full-stack web development in the Bay Area. And while it has expanded, it hasn't expanded into Seattle until 2019, which is the year that I went. How it expanded into Seattle was a merger with Galvanize. And Galvanize is known for their Python data science program, which is not the jobs that I'm applying for. And if I mention the Galvanize name and Galvanize Hack Reactor, people get confused. So this is my attempt to educate the people I interact with about the outcomes of other Hack Reactor grads. So what I did was go into LinkedIn, select the school as Hack Reactor, the location as Greater Seattle area, and 108 people popped up. I went through each one and evaluated whether or not they were a software engineer or an adjacent profession, such as a sales engineer or engineer in test. And 85% of those, or 92 out of the 108 people, qualified having a full-time software engineer or adjacent job. So people who are account representatives, yoga instructors, had just graduated from the program and had not been employed, these were not counted. So the most popular employer is Amazon, and Amazon, as most of you know, is defined first by its two different branches. There's Amazon Web Services, which hosts, I believe, 50% roundabout of the internet now. They're a heavy infrastructure company with S3, EC2. The other companies, such as Lyft, Uber, use to run their applications. 12% of the graduates work at AWS. And then there's the rest of Amazon, which includes retail, Kindle, Alexa, many of the other parts of Amazon, that another 9%. So we have over 20%, 1 in 5 of Hack Reactor alumni work for the premier Seattle tech employer. The next most popular employer is out in Redmond and Bellevue in the suburbs, and that is Microsoft with 8%. Now we have 2%, meaning out of 98 people, there were 2 people working at each Expedia, which is a Seattle-based company, Facebook, which has a Seattle satellite office that is right next to where I live, and Nordstrom, which is another Seattle-based company. And this map shows the one alumni employers to round things out. Google in the top middle, Twitch is in the top left, Blue Origin is in the top right, and that gentleman who works there as a software engineer used to work for Boeing, and so that's pretty cool. He has good aerospace experience. So for those of you who have found this video because I asked you to please investigate what Hack Reactor is, I hope you are now edified. Thank you.